I made a video recently about my 2012 Versys 1000 and said it was the best bike I had ever ridden. It still is, but it's even better now because I found a UK company on the web that can machine any part you need from aluminium. They also manufacture their own bar risers, which is just what I was looking for. They manufacture two types of bar risers for the Versys 1000. One fits those made after 2015, which is adjustable, and the other is for bikes made between 2012 and 2014 and is not adjustable as it's fixed. I ordered fixed risers. They arrived nicely packaged and will raise my bars by 30mm and bring them closer to me by 22mm. I'll describe the fit. I removed both fairings from the bike. This was easy and just involved the removal of one bolt and one plastic rivet. Pull the panel out of the rubber grommets and push it forward so that it slides out of the metal bracket which secures it to the bike. On the front brake side, slacken off the plastic clip which grips a rubber bobbin on the brake pipe. Reposition this plastic clip under the bobbin. This creates enough free play to accommodate the new bar position. On the clutch side, place the electric cables that run to the switchgear on the outside of the removable metal keeper. This creates enough free play to accommodate the new bar position. Remove the 4 bolts that hold the bars under the steering yoke and remove the bars. Place the risers into position and tighten the bolts. Place the bars into their position inside the risers. Place the cupped top of the risers over the bars and tighten a little. Rotate your bar position to suit you and then tighten the bolts fully. Check free play on all cables and pipes by turning the steering from stop to stop. At this point I discovered that the risers had kissed the paint on my tank when the steering had been moved to full right and full left lock. I found throttle RPM to be stable in this new position, so I took the bike for a test ride. The riding position is much better than the original, and I say much better because there is a second benefit to this ride position, as I can now ride with my butt further back on the seat against the raised back support cushion. This has changed my leg geometry on the pegs, allowing for a very much more comfortable leg angle.